Good morning. Certainly looked as though the weather knew that most children go back to school this week, and there's been a change of weather as well, as if the summer holidays are over. Autumn well and truly has arrived. Quite cool this week, rain at times and pretty windy as well. Plenty of leaves blown off the trees, I suspect, over the next couple of days. It's this area of low pressure moving in its associated front, but just look how tightly packed those isobars are, which basically means it's going to be a windy old start to our day. Temperatures will sit in double figures, but with the cloud, the rain and the wind, you're probably not going to bother about that first thing in the morning. The most important thing is it's going to be a grey or wet start to your journey to school or to work. So at 8 o'clock in the morning across the north of England, plenty of rain here. That extends down across East Anglia and into that southeast corner. A grey, wet morning here. Along that south coast, a similar story really. We might see indications across South Wales of some of that rain starting to ease away, but the southwest in general will be a grey, wet morning first thing. So perhaps some brightness starting to develop across the west of Wales, but further inland, central and eastern areas rather grey, wet and windy too. It's going to be a case of a drier slot across Northern Ireland, but you can see showers gathering. It won't be long before we'll see some frequent showers developing and a real clump of heavy rain across western Scotland for a time, but it really is going to be a showery scenario here too. So a lot of rain around first thing in the morning. As the day continues, the bulk of the rain will drift south and east, allowing for a slightly brighter slot. The wind's still with us throughout the day, and that'll be driving in some showers along those west coasts, some of those filtering a little bit further inland by the middle of the afternoon. But the best of the weather perhaps reserved for the second half of the day. Temperatures gradually cranking their way up to between 16 and 18 degrees, so not brilliant out there by any means. It's certainly, if you're heading off to the Rose Bowl to watch the one-day international, well, a wet start, but hopefully there'll be some play into the afternoon with a few showers. You can listen to that on 5 Live. Once that rain clears away, it stays pretty breezy with us throughout the week, and there'll be further showers driven along by that strong westerly wind. So a rather unsettled scenario to come. On Wednesday, a breezy day, the best of any brightness perhaps in sheltered southeastern areas in particular, where we could see temperatures up to 20 degrees, plenty of showers blown in along those west-facing coasts. From Thursday and Friday onwards, the strength of the winds ease somewhat, but it still remains pretty unsettled. And yes, that word autumnal raises its head again. Take care.
Games of the 30th Olympiad in 2012 are awarded to the City of London.